Video 4. Installation Options. Learn how to install the Creepy Crawly cleaner to your skimmer or an optional vacuum line.
Congratulations! You've purchased the best pool cleaning system in the world, Creepy Crawly. This tape will show you how to let Creepy Crawly clean your pool day after day, year after year, automatically. You're almost ready to connect Creepy Crawly to your system. Remember, your pump system should still be off. Your Creepy Crawly can be installed in one of two ways: in the skimmer or in a dedicated vacuum line. We've equipped your Creepy Crawly for a skimmer installation. Before we continue, you should inspect your pool for any maintenance that may be required. Make sure all ladders, lights, or main drain covers fit tight to the pool interior without any gaps that can trap your Creepy Crawly. This regulator valve regulates the amount of water flowing through Creepy Crawly for maximum efficiency. It allows excess flow to be used for skimming, so both operations occur at the same time. This threaded adapter will be used to connect the regulator valve to the 1.5 or 2-inch hole in the bottom of the skimmer. To prevent sticking, use 3 to 4 wraps of Teflon tape around the threads. Then thread the adapter into the skimmer connection, but don't over-tighten. Just a couple of turns will do. Before pressing the valve bottom into the adapter, check that the side marked "Attach hose this end" points up. Now press firmly, but don't put all your weight on it. You'll find it will seat easily. For skimmer installations, Creepy Crawly also offers a Vac+2 vacuum plate, which is available through our mail-in coupon. Vac+2 allows the skimmer basket to remain in the skimmer to catch floating debris. Please see the mail-in coupon inside your Creepy Crawly box. We'll use this cutaway skimmer to show you how to install your Vac+2. To install Vac+2, remove the skimmer basket handle to permit the back plate to fit securely on top of the skimmer basket. Choose a diameter ring that fits your skimmer basket. In this example, we'll use the 8.5-inch diameter ring. Put the Vac+2 on top of the skimmer basket and make sure it's seated properly to prevent water flow bypass around the edges. Insert the regulator valve into the Vac+2. The side marked "Attach hose this end" should point up. Use the locking bar to secure Vac+2 firmly in place. Adjust the bar so it's just snug against the skimmer walls, but don't over-tighten. After you assemble the hose, you'll connect it to the Vac+2 like this, through the rear door opening. Then connect it to the installed Vac+2. Some pool owners and pool professionals may prefer to install Creepy Crawly into a dedicated vacuum line. Close the main drain and all suction lines, except the vacuum line and the skimmer line to which the Creepy Crawly valve will be connected. This snap lock wall fitting will be used to connect the hose into the dedicated vacuum line. To prevent sticking, use 3 to 4 wraps of Teflon tape around the threads. Next, thread the snap lock wall fitting into the dedicated vacuum line. The snap lock wall fitting is not included with your Creepy Crawly, but can be purchased from your Pentair Pool Products dealer. Now, press the 45-degree hose connector into the snap lock wall fitting like this. After you assemble the hose, you will connect it to the vacuum line like this, using the male end of a male-female hose section. When attaching Creepy Crawly to a dedicated vacuum line, the automatic regulator valve should be installed in the skimmer with a valve cap. This will balance water flow between Creepy Crawly and your skimmer to assure proper cleaning speed and simultaneous skimming of surface debris. This is the only time the valve cap is used. Press the valve cap onto the end of the regulator valve marked. Attach hose this end. As previously shown, this threaded adapter will be used to connect the regulator valve to the 1.5 or 2-inch hole in the bottom of the skimmer. To prevent sticking, use 3 to 4 wraps of Teflon tape around the threads. Then, thread the adapter into the skimmer connection, but don't over-tighten. Just a couple of turns will do. Now, press the valve bottom into the adapter. Press firmly, but don't put all your weight on it. You'll find it will seat easily. Now the regulator valve is set to regulate flow through Creepy Crawly and your skimmer. The Creepy Crawly hose comes in sections. You'll need enough sections to reach from where Creepy Crawly is connected to the farthest part of your pool. This pool, for example, is about 30 feet from the skimmer to the most distant part. We'll connect enough sections to reach the far end, plus one extra to allow Creepy Crawly to reach the bottom. This section connects to the regulator valve in the skimmer. You can recognize it by the 2 female ends and the protector. All other sections have 1 female and 1 male end. Twist and push the sections together after dipping the ends in the pool to wet them. Continue until you've connected all the hose you need. Store leftover sections in the original box. The last thing to do is to put on the hose weights. The positioning on the hose depends on how deep your pool is. Check your owner's manual for how many weights you'll need. Since this pool is about 6 feet deep, it will take 2 weights, one about 6 feet from the unit and the other about 4 to 12 inches from the unit. Check the swivel head and make sure it turns freely. Now connect the hose to your Creepy Crawly. You're now ready to place Creepy Crawly in your pool. Lower Creepy Crawly into the pool and keep feeding hose down into the pool until all air is purged from the hose. We've purged all the air from the hose, so now it's time to connect it to the regulator valve. Adjust the hose protector to protect the hose from rubbing against the skimmer wall. And now, you can turn on your pump.
Next, watch Video 5, Operation.